Hi, I'm Jessica. Today's meditation is on rain, reciprocity, and that nourishment. So get in a comfortable seat or feel free to lie down, whatever's most comfortable. And after you situate yourself with a nice tall spine, tuning into your breath and allowing your eyes to close or soften. And just giving yourself permission to let the imagery pique your imagination's interest. Breathing. And before we call for rain, call for the watering, we need to know what we are watering, what we are nourishing and growing and supporting. Tune into your body. And we'll be planting seeds of that which we would like to grow in our lives. Your first seed is the color red. It will be planted at the base of your tailbone, your pelvic bowl, your seat. And this is a seed of stability, safety, and strength. So whatever speaks to you there, imbue that seed and plant that red seed into your seat, allowing a warm red glow. Moving to your lower belly. In your hand you have a seed of orange, creativity. Planting that seed in your low belly and allowing that orange seed to gently glow orange in your belly. In your solar plexus, yellow. Your seed is yellow. This is a seed of action, of power, strength. Planting that seed in your solar plexus and allowing that yellow glow to emanate from the seed. Moving up to your heart. The seed is green. Planting a seed in your heart center of love, of openness, and allowing that seed to be planted and glow a gentle green. Next seed of a light but brilliant sky blue for your throat. The seed of truth, of expression, speaking truth. Truth to power, your own truth, planting that seed, allowing that sky blue glow in your throat. Attention moves to your third eye, that space between your eyebrows. They're a brilliant dark blue. The seed is that dark blue of intuition, insight, and intellect. Planting that seed. Dark royal blue glowing in your forehead. And a seed of violet for the crown of your head, for your spirituality and or your sense of connectedness and oneness with all things. Planting that violet seed in the crown of your head and allowing it to glow. And with these seeds planted, we are ready for rain. For the rain needs somewhere to go. Without the roots of plants, it would wash the soil away, cause erosion. But with roots, the water has something to feed. Above you, clouds begin to form. Heavy with rain. This rain is gentle. And snow is also welcome, for snow can softly melt into the earth. And the rain begins, a sprinkle at first. And this rain brings into you a warm glowing light. And it amplifies all the other colors that we've planted. And that rain first hits your feet, allowing your feet to take up that water. Your ankles, your legs, and then your seat, that red seed, takes in the water. That red glow is amplified by that warm light of the rain. And the seed sprouts and roots down. And in this rooting, that seed of stability is not only for you. You are stabilized by those roots going deep into the earth, but so too is the earth stabilized by your roots. And so by rooting yourself, you change the topography of the world around you. Again, hillsides crumble underwater without the sturdying power of roots. So allow those roots of that red seed to go deep. The rain moves up to your low belly. That orange seed drinks in the water, amplifying its light. As it sprouts, so too do roots form and grow deep, deep roots. And the rain moves up to your solar plexus, that yellow seed planted, sprouts, roots grow deep, anchoring that action. Rain moves up to your heart center, that green seed roots, sprouts. Those strong, deep roots of green strengthen that heart center, allowing for more capacity to love. The rain moves to the throat, that sky blue amplifies the seed roots and sprouts, rooting your knowledge of the truth, your ability to express that truth, rooted, nourished by the rain. The rain moves up to your third eye, that dark, brilliant royal blue amplifies. Seed sprouts, rooting, deepening your intuition, connecting that intuition with the whole earth. And the rain moves up gently to the crown of your head, that violet seed glowing, amplified by the nourishment of the water, sprouts and roots, that deep knowing of the interconnectedness of all life. Your spirituality. Whatever seed you planted there is rooting deep. The rain is falling gently over your entire body. And as you take in the water, your roots help to deepen the water, deepen the nourishment into the earth. Noticing here if there's anything you're ready to let go of. And any of those things, allow them with the water to percolate down into your roots. Root systems filter water. So yes, the water has that power and is helping wash away what no longer serves you, but so too are you and your roots created, filtering. You're in that dance, that relationship with the earth, with the water. And anything that those roots may not filter, they go down deeper into the water table, into a web of all of the root systems of life, and is filtered there. And here in this root system, you are connected with all life on earth, and all life is connected with you. You are part of that support system. Filtering. as the rain keeps gently falling on your body. And if anything that is not serving you needs to go deeper to filter, it goes down through those root systems all the way to the center of the earth, the core, the liquid hot magma, that liquid metal core, and it is transmuted there. Allowing the rain to fall. Replenishing, restoring, clearing. Allowing yourself to recognize that reciprocity, that you are part of the support system as you are supported, and feeling into the gratitude and magnitude of that strength. The water, the earth, the nutrients released by fire, and the air that cleanses. Feeling that gratitude for the water, for the clouds as they roll in, through, and by. Slowly beginning to deepen your breath as you are ready. Perhaps bringing gentle movement to your fingers and toes. Awareness back into the space, the room that you are in. And knowing as you go into your day or evening that this connected power and cleansing is present with you. Gently open your eyes as you're ready. So thank you for sharing this meditation with me. And may the rain nourish and your roots feel strong. Take care. And the cat has been in my lap this whole time. Ooh. You're Cersei, girl.